The power of listening every day. Hello friends, this is Aditi and welcome to Prima English. Today I'll tell you how listening can make your English speaking very strong. Do you know how a child learns his first language? By listening to parents, family and people around him. In the same way, if you want to speak English, you must listen to a lot of English. Listening helps in three ways. First, it teaches you pronunciation. You hear how words are spoken. Second, it teaches you sentence structure. You learn how native speakers build sentences. And third, it improves your confidence. When you hear the same word again and again, they become familiar and you start using them naturally. So, what should you listen to? You can listen to English songs, English cartoons, podcasts, audiobooks, or even songs. Choose what you enjoy so that you can continue daily. Even 15 minutes of listening every day can make a big change in your speech. One simple tip, repeat what you listen. For example, if you are watching a cartoon and the character says, "Let's go to the park," pause and repeat it aloud. This shadowing technique is very powerful. Remember friends, English is the key that opens the doors of speaking. The more you listen, the more fluent you will become. So from today, make listening to English a part of your daily routine. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, keep listening, keep learning. If you like my efforts, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Prima English. Bye from Aditi.